Thank you to Cook Unity for sponsoring. More on them later. Join me for some late summer homemaking in today's video. I'm doing some bathroom organization, sharing a refreshing recipe for a cinnamon dolce iced coffee, some tips on SPF, new undergarments, and much more. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I missed you while I was on my break. I'm excited for you to join me today as we get it all done around the house. Let's start off with some bathroom organization. My bathroom drawers have become very unorganized lately. Yikes! Sometimes life gets so busy that I just throw the beauty products in the drawers without any rhyme or reason. And then we went traveling for the summer. When I got home, I knew I wanted to sort this out. I'm going to Daiso to see what they have in the way of organization bins. As it's the end of the summer, I've pulled out some of my late summer clothing items from my 10-item wardrobe. Today I'm wearing the black Michael Stars shorts, along with this light short-sleeve sweater from Merci. I'm wearing it with my M. Jemmy platform lug sandals, and we are ready to hop in the car. Daiso is like the Japanese Dollar Tree. If you have one in your area, you must check it out. I find their items to be very stylish and cleverly designed. I'm excited to find that they have exactly what I'm looking for and see many pretty options for drawer dividers. I make my selections and bring them home, ready to tackle this project. Before I begin, I light a candle for some peaceful ambiance. This is the grapefruit rose candle from my friend Jamie's company called Cellar Door Candles that I've been enjoying a lot this summer. I begin by taking everything out of the drawers and throwing away expired products that I no longer use. Then I sort the items into categories. I then take a wet e-cloth and clean out the drawers. Then I play around with different configurations for the drawer dividers, coming up with the best ones that work for me. And then I fill the dividers with my skincare and makeup. This top drawer needs to contain the beauty items I use the most so I can easily access them. Then I go through the same process with the drawer below. This one is really messy. It feels good to clear this out. I clean out this drawer in the same manner and place the drawer dividers in, playing with my makeup and skincare combinations and the best way to store them. And here is the final result for both drawers. So much prettier and organized. I've worked so hard on my drawers that I'm craving a refreshing iced coffee and a break out in the garden. But first I wanted to share Cook Unity with you, who is the sponsor for this video. Cook Unity is the first chef-to-consumer platform delivering freshly prepared, pre-selected meals right to your door weekly. They connect a diverse group of talented chefs that cook delicious, inventive meals for every day in regional micro kitchens, not warehouse production facilities. I love the Cook Unity meals. They are delicious, and they're especially perfect for busy seasons in your life, like when you're undergoing major house projects or back to school. I love them because you get a delicious and nutritious meal delivered to you without any work. So to get started, you set your preferences on their website by telling them what you like and what you don't, and you pick a meal plan. You can choose from hundreds of meals and pick the ones you like. The menus are posted 2 weeks in advance, and Cook Unity tailors them to match your diet and preferences. Then you just heat and plate. For the best results, I like to heat my meals in the oven. You're seeing some of the meals that I chose here. They're absolutely delicious. It's really hard for me to choose a favorite because they were all so unique and flavorful. The subscription is super flexible and you can pause, skip weeks, or cancel at any time. So go to cookunity.com/connoisseur or click the link in the description and use my code Connoisseur50 to get 50% off your first order of Cook Unity meals and try them out for yourself. After that bathroom organization session, it's time to enjoy an iced coffee in the garden. I take a tumbler and fill it with ice and some cold coffee that I brewed earlier in the day. Then in a separate container, I pour some whole milk, a dash of maple syrup, vanilla extract, and some organic cinnamon. I froth this with a milk frother until it has a nice whipped foamy texture. Note that if you use low-fat or non-fat milk, this will get even frothier, but I prefer the creaminess of whole milk for my drink. Once frothed, I pour this into my iced coffee. This is so delicious. It tastes like an iced cinnamon dolce latte and fulfills a wonderful craving for me right now. I'm going to enjoy it while overlooking the pool and breathing in some fresh air. I'm finding that when I embark on a time-consuming project, it's important for my stress levels to also take a meaningful break, especially by changing my environment and going outside. We've had the most beautiful red dragonflies dancing over our pool since we've been back. I like admiring them while sipping my delicious iced coffee. You might have been curious about a few of the makeup and skincare items you saw in my drawers. For skincare, 2 of my favorite brands are Typology and Paula's Choice. I always use Paula's Choice for SPF. The one I've used for years is their Resist SPF in this dark blue bottle. But I've also loved the Youth Extending Daily Hydration Fluid, and I wanted to share this SPF oil with you because I love this one. This is their Healthy Glow Invisible Sunscreen Oil with SPF 30. I was a bit skeptical that this would work, and I also thought that it might make me look greasy, but this is me putting it on and then putting on makeup afterwards, and I love the effect. It feels like I just have a nice, healthy, non-greasy glow. These sunscreens are all great, and I just wanted to share them with you. Late summer finds me storing up my energy for fall when I know I'll be reinvigorated for delicious fall cooking. In the meantime, I'm either wanting something that's already prepped, like the Cook Unity meals, or easy, refreshing recipes like this one. I'm now going to share a cucumber salad recipe with you. Cucumber is abundant this time of year, and I know many of you grow it in your gardens. Here's an easy recipe that keeps well in the refrigerator. Take a large cucumber and slice it thinly. Then add 1½ teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir this together and allow the cucumbers to sit for 5 minutes. While I'm waiting, I chop a quarter of an onion, and then I add 2.5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and the onion to the cucumbers. I allow this to sit for at least 10 minutes before serving. This is a delicious way to serve cucumbers, and if any of you follow the glucose goddess, she recommends having vinegar or a vegetable starter before meals, so this recipe hits both of those. The kids wanted mac and cheese for dinner, which is so easy and I'm always for it. So I made some of the Annie's organic shells and cheese that they like and served it with the cucumber salad and some buttered French baguette. A simple meal that the kids loved. Before we go, I wanted to share some undergarment updates with you. As you know, the Nay Barely Zero bra wins my absolute first place for comfort and function. I love these bras. I'm going to share 2 of their styles with you, the Barely Zero t-shirt bra and plunge bra. You can see the t-shirt bra here in the color Peach Pure. It has an adjustable strap and a back closure. It's so comfortable. Their bras are also great for acting as camisoles. I'm wearing the t-shirt bra here under this V-neck caftan that goes quite low. You can see a peek of the bra, but it doesn't look like a bra. Rather, it looks like a camisole. And this is the black plunge bra, perfect for wearing with V-necks. This is one size and does not have adjustable straps or a back closure. The straps are thicker. I love them. I'm wearing this one here with the deep V-neck black camisole, and it blends in seamlessly. Finally, it's been so hot here, I've brought out this pretty sleeveless Aeolia cream smock dress from Sky from last year's summer 10-item wardrobe. I've switched out some of my heavier pieces for spring to bring out these lighter options. I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some motivation to beautify your space too. Thank you to Cook Unity for sponsoring. Go to cookunity.com/connoisseur or click the link in the description and use my code Connoisseur50 to get 50% off your first order of Cook Unity meals to try them out for yourself. It's so great to be back, everyone. I'm looking forward to all the wonderful videos we have coming up for you on the Daily Connoisseur. In the meantime, keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in the next one. Love, Jennifer.